Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, fog lamps, front stabilizer bar, full-size spare tire, halogen headlamps, rear stabilizer bar, speed control, 160-amp alternator, 4-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.